guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Hazel Tools, and today we're going to go through the August Hot Tools flyer and marketing kit. So let's get it opened. We're going to use the gold colored wrinkle today. So as always, we start off with our receipt backers. I got 4 packs of them. Looks like we have the look book. It's almost SFC time, which is why I'm wearing the SFC Orlando shirt from 2014. I think I have one from 2011. We went to Orlando, but this is the one I found in the closet because we're going to Orlando in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. So super exciting, a lot of stuff going on. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so it looks like we got a couple things here. We got a little book for us dealers to fill out, the look book. And it has inside of there's some toolboxes, some different configurations, color schemes. There's some more tool storage. So then we are able to write down our customers' information, what they're looking for, so we can be your personal shopper at the tool show. Sockets, hammers, all them hand tool things. Write that stuff down. Power tools. We have diagnostics, shop equipment. So this is just going to be something that we can use as a shopping list when we go. That way we keep everything straight, get people's orders in. With, you know how things are getting stuff these days, the faster we can get our orders in, the more likely we'll get it sooner than later. So just helps us out. Then it looks like they printed off a bunch of wish lists. So I'll start handing these out tomorrow when I hand this same flyer out to my guys. And I'm going to do a little promotion. If the guys text me with some of this information, we're going to do a little promotion on it. So that's kind of cool that they send this to us. Next up, we got some van danglers to hang up on there. We got some under the hood lights. We'll check that all out in the flyer here in just a second. Here's our outside van sign, and there's 2 sides to it. So once again, you guys let me know what side should I put out. So on this side, we have, if you're gonna make a statement, make it loud. 3 different color toolboxes. This side, we got some cool colors, a new blue, and I have some of this stuff already came in, the gray, the yellow. So these are kind of the SFC colors for this year, as well as this super cool speaker. I was fortunate enough that my boss let me demo one of them. I don't know if it'll ever make it out of the kitchen. The thing is so sweet. But I do have I have a few other ones that I'll be putting on the truck for giveaways for the guys. I think I got 4 total, so we'll have 3 available for the route because my boss, well, actually it's Bell and Tracker, but they said I could keep that in there for listening to tunes, getting some stuff done. Let's get on to the flyer, guys. At this point, I don't know if I have the digital versions of this, so might be a little bit before I get the digital versions up, but I will put them on my Facebook, Instagram. I do the Snapchat, but I don't put these on the Snapchat, so check out the Facebook or the Instagram for the digital versions of these. So here we have it, the cover, guys and gals, Red Hot Hand Tools. So this stuff was part of the big hand tool or big tool pack of SFC, which they did a pre-order on like 2 weeks ago. So that stuff's rolling in because I ordered it. Some dealers don't order it. You know, it's up to each individual dealer. So some of this stuff you see in here may be available on your guys' truck, some not. Typically, they've changed this back so that, yeah, it looks like this is good for my region and a couple other regions. So your area might get a different flyer than this. But for our area, this is what we got. Let's crack her open. Some hot colors, cool tools. Once again, we got the yellow, we got the blues. I really like that blue, and before the end of the video, I'll run out and grab, I think I got a hammer and some other stuff out there in that color so you can actually see it, not in print. The torque wrench looks super cool with that blue on there. And then the hot sound with that super awesome speaker. 100 watts, got a little Snap-on logo on it. Looked them up online, and they get some good money for them, so that's a pretty legitimate thing. Get your wish list ready. So there's the lookbook that we opened up. And then this thing, I have it sitting in my garage. My son, thank goodness, came over today, helped out, put this thing together. This is a power tool storage unit. This whole top area designated for power tools, cordless and air. And I don't know, they don't have it hooked up here, but there's a little reel here for wrapping up the cord. It has the charger strip inside of there. So we got that all on there, and it's got the little area to wrap your cord up. And if you look, I don't know how well it shows there. They have it filled up, so you can see how that holds the tools in the top. Then it's got one skinny drawer going across. Then this next drawer, the big one there, that is the speed drawer. And I haven't seen the speed drawer in the deeper size. I've only seen it in the skinny one. So I can see how that would be kind of nice to organize stuff up. New products, aim it right where you need. So we have the 550 lumen autofocus light, the ECARF052. So here's what comes in that kit. You get the light, the head on it swivels. I don't know if you can see that real good. There we go. Takes a USB-C charger. You also get the little wall plug, and you get the USB-C charger. And then on the back, there's a couple of buttons. I'll get out of the frame so it focuses. We have an on here. This one turns these bright LED lights on, and if you hold it, and then it'll dim them out. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna hold it and see if we can. When it flashed, that meant it was at the top of the range. There it flashed again, it's at the bottom of the range. So you can adjust it that way. We'll go ahead and shut it off. Then when I hit the bottom one, there's different light modes for it. So if you look in there, you can see some different LEDs, all that yellow. So that is the one new product in there. The other one is an 18-volt light, the 2700 lumen cordless floodlight, and I got a couple of them in the back. I don't have them unboxed, but let's go ahead and grab the box and show you what they look like. That'd be this unit right here. You want to signal Jeff Bezos when he's up in space, this would probably do it. Looks like on the back we have some LEDs back there as well. Your control panel up front, USB chargers on the side. Run it off the 18-volt lithium batteries, or right there, plug it into your standard 110 outlet. So some new products, some new lights. Part number on that one is CTFL 9050. CTFL 9050. 2,700 lumens. So nice bright light. Let's move on to page 7. How are we on page 7? We just started this thing. Save on cordless and rechargeable lights. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different ones on here. Looks like a mixture of 18 volt, 14.4 volt, all kinds of different cordless lights. Under the hood lights. I think I have both of these. Can you see? Yeah, I got both of them up against the wall there. This one is my favorite, but there's a lot of guys that really like this style too. I like this because you can take that light off of there. I've showed that in other videos, and there's a real good magnet on it, and you can use that light under the vehicle. I have one guy, shout out to Jesse and Tim, or one shop I should say, that they don't even use it under the hood bars. They just use that light for everything and use it as a magnet light because it's so bright. Looks like we got some Blue Point stuff. Buy one, get one. Start out strong and stay on a roll. So we see this every once in a while. Buy the Blue Point tool set, and that is a 224-piece big starter set. Part number BP START set. BP start set. 2160 gets you into that. Get the 4-drawer service cart, the Blue Point, with the nice can holder and the side tray over there. So buy one, get one. That is going to be pretty limited. Most of us dealers, if we order one, That's about it. I've heard of a couple dealers that might order 2. Something you're interested in looking into, talk to your dealer and see if they have it available. Limited time deals coming up soon. Get up to $50 off when you trade in towards some of these tools. So we have the Monster Lithium Cordless Hammer Drill, tool only. The Monster Lithium Brushless Cordless Impact, which is a CT9075. So all these are going to be tool only. You don't have to buy the whole kit to get 50 bucks off. Just buy the one tool. We got the Lithium Cordless Compact Cordless Drill, Brushless Cordless Impact Wrench, the CT9010, so that's going to be your 3/8, and then the Lithium Reciprocating Saw down here. So I think I have most of these on the, I am sold out of the 1/2-inch impacts, but the rest of that stuff I do have on the truck, so my guys are in luck on that if they want to do some trading. We got some trade-in deals on the torque wrenches. So we got A, B, C, and D. So there is a 3/8 drive tech angle, 5 to 125 foot-pounds. So that's the upgraded version. The normal one only went up to 100 foot-pounds. So this one goes up to 125. The 3/8 drive tech wrench. So this is the one that goes up to 100 and does not do the angle. So you have angle up to 125, not angle up to 100. 3/8 drive SAE adjustable click type, and then your 3/8 drive TQ series right there. And I think we've seen a picture of that somewhere. Remember I said that looks pretty cool in blue? In the 1/2-inch version, there it is, right there. That's pretty popular. That 1/2-inch one, a lot of the guys like that for lug nuts. Super easy to set and take care of. Page 11. Hey, I'm glad you guys are sticking around with me today. And let's go. Built tough to perform tough with vision. So we have 3 different BK3000s. You have the red one, the camo, and the flame. Looks like they are $340 on that. The 14.4 micro lithium cordless floodlight. So if you did like the 18 volt back here style, but you run the 14 stuff, we got one for you. You can see the battery right in the back there. Try not to get the glare. Looks to match. We got some neck lights. Them are still super popular. 69 bucks, green or orange. Your choice of colors. And then the back page matches up with the van sign. Like I said, let me know which one, toolbox or hand tools for the van sign, and I'll take a peek and then we'll put that one out on the truck. 55-inch 10-drawer double bank classic series roll cab. We got red, the blue, and the green. Want to know more? Just say the word. That's what we got going on in the August Hot Tools flyer. Like I said, this is for our region. Your region might be a little different. It says on the bottom here we have the Great Lakes, North Central, Northeast, Northwest, and South Central. Right on the bottom there. So there's typically 2 flyers. You'll have one split up to our regions, and then the other region gets that one, and they go back and forth. And then once in a while, we get lucky and all of us get the same one. We got a lot of the SFC pre-show stuff coming in, so I'll be showing you some videos on that. Tuesday, we're gonna have a great video on a new product that you haven't seen on this channel, so I'm excited for that. It's been a while for me to be back, and I'm glad to be here. We got everything kind of straightened out, getting the teams put together. At points, we have like 4 people working here at the same time. It's a lot to run, man, but we're here for you. I ain't going anywhere, and I'm glad you took some time and spent it with me. So on that note, I gotta get back to work, keep loading up the truck, clean up some of this stuff so I'm ready to go for tomorrow, and I will see you guys Tuesday.